Hello and welcome back to English Easy Practice. Today, we have a new story for you. First, you will listen to the narrative. And then we will jump into a series of questions. To get the most out of this, try to answer every question out loud. Let's begin. The story. I am a student. Every morning I wake up early and I head to school every weekday. I have a huge collection of books because I absolutely love reading. My father is a constructor. He builds houses for a living. Usually he drives to work, but on some days he prefers to walk. My mother, on the other hand, is a mathematics teacher. She works at a school, loves music, and frequently spends her time playing the piano. Then there is my sister Julia. She is an incredibly hard worker. Her day starts early at 7:30 a.m. and doesn't finish until 8 o'clock p.m. She is very brilliant and multilingual, speaking for different languages: German, Spanish. We live in a small, quiet town where the weather is consistently cold. While it rains occasionally, it snows quite often. Because of this, we go skiing every single weekend. If you're enjoying this story, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Interactive Q&A session. Now, let's test your memory. Answer the following questions based on the story. I wake up early every morning. Do I wake up late? No, I don't. I wake up early. How often do I wake up early? Every morning. Do I go to school on Saturdays and Sundays? No, I only go to school on weekdays. My father builds houses. Is he a musician? No, he isn't. He is a constructor. Does he always drive to work? Mostly yes, but sometimes he walks. Is my mother a nurse? No, she is a teacher. She teaches math. Does Julia have a short workday? No, she works very hard, about 12.5 hours a day. How many languages does Julia speak? She speaks for English, German, Spanish, and Chinese. What do we do for fun on the weekends? We go skiing because it snows often. Pro tip for fluency. The secret to speaking English fluently is repetition. Don't just listen once. Listen to these stories until the answers come to you automatically, without needing to translate them in your head. When you repeat these sentences, you are training your brain to think in English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.